Hello, everybody. Thinking of that school. You have been a nice day.
Pero tingin mo ba mabubuhay lagi kung kinagian niya yung ano niya? Sa braso.
Hello, everybody. Everybody wanna know. You want to do something.
Malaki yun eh, no? Estudyante rin pala yun. Mga fourth year siguro yung mga. High school.
14 lang din yan, 15. 15 lang.
Parang ang hindi pa.
At saka okay lang.
You wanna know that it would be very serious. Everybody wants to know everything.
Paano mo nalaman?
Kasi itang nila, ewan ko totoo yun. Chance lang.